Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at the 6 tab LED light set, on off toggle set. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what you get. Installation instructions. I'm going to briefly demonstrate how you guys set it up. I've seen people set it up at many different ways, customize it however they want. It is a do-it-yourself kit. Got your screws, brackets, all that fun stuff, your decals in here. So each person can do it completely different however they want. So with that being said, I don't like showing you guys wiring it up, because if someone makes a mistake and causes, let's say, an electrical fire, I don't want to be held responsible for someone not following what I did perfectly to a T. So we're going to go over and just kind of show you guys the entire full kit in assembly. For starters, it actually looks like that they have everything pretty well set up here. Like they got all the cables and everything wired and put together, it appears already. So that's kind of nice. It makes it for easy installation and easy setup. This is going to be your little hub box here. So you just pull out on the sides. Here you got your fuse panels inside here. You got your different fuses, different ampage, fuse box as well. For these, you just kind of wiggle back and forth if you need to take one out. And here you guys can see if you want. 40 amp, 40 amp, 40, 40, 40. So all these are 40s. You got yellows are 20s, and then you got 130 amp. Really nice. Okay, when we spool everything out, you have your positive cable. You'll connect this to the positive terminal of your battery. And then we have our black for grounded. This is going to be your negative. You're going to connect that to either the ground or negative terminal. And then here you have all your cables for the different bays, for the different switches. So you would connect your cable onto the different switches. They're numbered, so like number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this, it's push button. You press to turn it on, press to turn it off. I would run some electrical tape around here just to make this more solid. That's just my personal opinion. So run some electrical tape around this end and run it around this end when you're done installing it. And all you gotta do is stick the wire in here and you're good to go. So it's all set up for you guys. But overall, it's definitely, they make it really easy and simple. So everybody should be able to figure this out. It's not that hard at all.